guys are going to see the reaction of this. So, it's going to be probably epic. And, yeah. So, yeah, Demi's just making something out of Bunchums too. So, we'll do a video on that. And that's my bird. You have to finish it.
Coming with you.
No, you're not. You have to finish that.
Okay.
I'll be as fast as I can. So, yeah, I've got my birdie. Mom, you want to see it? A little bird.
That's nice. How cute is that?
Lulu! Lulu, baby! What's that? What's that? Is that bird? Oh. Yummy stuff. Isn't it, Lulu? Isn't it? What's that? What's that, Lulu? What's that, you little cutie?
It's not for you, it's hot.
No, I'm showing her.
Come out, Bubbles.
That looks nice. Comment down below if you could eat all of that right now.
Right, the cat is naughty. Get down, please.
You naughty thing.
Can't serve food when everybody's in the way.
Hey, eat your food.
Oh, for God's sake.
So, yeah, I got the reaction and yeah.
What?
Bye.